Hello, all. Good afternoon for the marketing management session. So, I'm really happy that you people are keeping up with me for whatever experiment I do with you. I'm really happy for that. And I also want to comment on few from the previous session. Okay. So after the session, we are conducting this assessment. Fine. So this assessment is just to revise you and recap you. It will be in a virtual platform. You will be taking away things and you'll be forgetting. So I'm not sure you people are taking your handwritten notes as I am giving you a lecture. So this way I can evaluate you. So yes, it is good that majority of you trying to answer, and I'm really happy for that. I want some more improvisation from today and in coming days too. So the first question I asked in previous assessment is the totalic consumer's decision concept given by whom? Yes, the correct answer is Jacob Jacobi. It is good. So those who are participated, the 26 people, you all got it. No, some of you mentioned Philip Kotler. No, Philip Kotler is modern marketing father. Okay, he's a father of modern marketing. So have a difference between Philip Kotler. Don't get confused. And we never discuss about Warren Buffett or David Ogilvy. So these people are very different. So if you don't know, please don't give irrelevant answers. This will be helpful for your competitive exam too. If you're selected also, it'll be happy to get to know people who are related with the subject, right? And the second question I asked is the core concept we discussed. Okay, the core concept we discussed is motives. So I'm really happy majority of you gone for that option. Yes, we also discussed
Sir,
about
your voice is not
marketing.
clear.
We also is it okay now? Once again, I'll check my hotspot. Okay, is it okay now? Is it okay now? Am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Is my voice breaking?
Yes, sir.
Still, my voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will leave the meeting and come and join. Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
போயிட்டாரா டேய் திருப்பி வருவாரு தெத்து.
This section is
என்ன
recorded.
தருது?
ஐயா என்ன ஆன்லைன்லயே காணோம் உங்களை கொஞ்ச நாளா?
Am I audible?
எஸ் சார்.
Yes, sir.
Is my voice breaking?
Sir.
நோ நோ சார்.
Yes, sir.
Who is telling yes still?
Sir, your
Hi,
voice
sir.
is slow motion, sir.
Okay. Is it good now?
கரெக்டாக தான் சார் இருக்கு.
Okay. So we will resume. Okay. So I'll be taking another 5 to 10 minutes extra. Okay. So hope my screen is visible. We will resume here. The core concept we discussed in the previous session was buying motives. Though all these buying types and the specific products are related, but the core idea is buying motives. I'm happy that everyone got the input, but still the buying motives is the core topic. Okay, so have it in mind. And yes, I think what is the correct answer? Can anyone tell each individual at what? Expensive need or unique needs? What is the correct answer would be?
Unique needs, sir.
Unique need. What else? What else? Anybody want to add some more point? Nobody. Okay. So as Franklin told, yes, unique needs is the correct answer for this particular question. Our needs may be expensive, okay, at some time, but not all the time. Okay. So unique needs is each and every individual has. So each need is different from one another. Okay. So and then this question also might be confusing to you. Cultural influence, group influence, and family influence are known as, what is it? Anyone want to answer? Give a try. What is the correct answer would be? What could be the correct answer?
None of them.
None of them. No. See, I want to make a comment on it. Okay. So culture, group, family, community factor. Yes, Agilan puts it right way. See, culture, group, family, these are all large in numbers. Okay, a culture means we have to follow different things. Group means there will be one or many factors. Family means there will be many people. Okay, maybe father, mother, son, father, mother, son, daughter. So there will be four, three, so varying. So these three, if number is bigger, that will be considered to be community factor. This I did not discuss in the class. Just to give you insight only, I just added it. Interpersonal is something between within a person. Okay, there is a change of mistake. That should be intra-person and interpersonal. The interpersonal means two people, only two people will be conversing. Okay, if it is going beyond two, that will be considered to be group. So intra means within oneself. So you get it idea of intra, inter, community. So this is very very important in any competitive exam, or if you are preparing for any interview, these questions will be asked. Okay, and finally I asked, name major two factors in consumer behavior. What is the major two factors in consumer behavior? Can anyone identify the correct answer here? Anyone? Okay, so the answer is internal and the external. That is the only factors we have to consider when a person going to go for a purchase. So that is the only thing. Either he'll be influenced by himself or by some other third party. So this is what I would like to give a comment on the previous session's assessment. And yes, these are the things we discussed in previous session, like buying motives, the factors that influence, that is internal and external. And we saw about totalitarian consumer behavior, that is answering all WH questions, that is where, why, how, in what, all these questions we were answering it. Is it clear, or do we have any doubts to be cleared? Any doubts? Yes, you will not be having any doubts, I know. I think first CA test will reveal all your self. That I am sure we will see it. Okay. So far we have completed one first unit and the second unit we have done. Today I'm going to discuss one small topic here. So from that we'll be ending the session, and that will be this till this topic will be having it for our CA exam. So we will be hope my screen is not visible. Is it visible? No, right?
No, sir.
Yeah. So now I will be needing one volunteer. Who will be the volunteer for today? Anyone? Or shall I pick the volunteer? He only going to help us in today's learning. Who is ready? Come on. See, I really feel pity for you guys. First years has a more intention and more enthusiasm than you guys. They are ready to answer. They are ready to interact. Though they may be new, but still they're showing that attitude, right? The good attitude. Where here that lacks. So that also affects me sometimes. Okay, fine. So I'll be taking a little slower today's sessions because this is very important topic we're going to discuss. Any volunteer? Anybody would like to volunteer today? Okay, I'll pick. Okay. I think Mauli. Maulidharan, can you hear me, Maulidharan? Maulidharan? Anthony Amman? Hello? Am I audible to all? I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Francis Diana, can you help me in that in this topic? Can you?
What topic, sir?
Okay, fine. Okay. So today we are going to learn about a model. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. So we are going to learn one model. So this model is going considered to be buying behavior model. So I'll be put it as BB model. Okay. So Francis and me going to draw this model. So this is very important topic that you can expect in your university exam, and in Viva I will ask everyone. So you make sure you grab this model really well. Okay. Diana, now I had one issue right before class starting the class. What happened to me? What was the issue I was facing?
Sir, network problem, sir.
Okay. So for network problem, what I should have? What would be my solution for it? So I was not having proper network, right? So I don't have any network to communicate to my laptop. Okay. So what was the thing I should have to have a good network, to have a wonderful internet connection to without any interruption? Maybe I need a 4G connection. Is it right?
Sir, you need to ask your surrounding people, sir.
Yes, I'll be asking to my surrounding people. So what are the things I should have? Okay. So what is my need here?
Here, good network, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So my need is good network. Okay, we'll put it as good. Our need is my good network. So that will be considered as 4G. So I need a network. Okay. So from network, what I will be do? Now I got different people. I got Geo, I got Airtel, and I got Vodafone. And Franklin, what you will be suggesting to me? Which one you ask me to go?
Sir, which one is perfectly fit to your area, sir? That one
Okay,
you should put, sir.
okay, that will be fine. Fine. So now I got three different vendors, right? For example, I got Geo, I got Airtel, I got Vodafone. So what I got is information, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now I got information. So we'll put it as info. Okay. So from this information, what I will be doing?
You need to choose, sir.
I'll be choosing one. Okay. So what are the benefits from Geo I will be getting?
There are some different offers.
Okay. From Airtel, what are the benefits I'll be getting? They'll be telling it will be cheaper in cost, all those things. Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from Vodafone also same. So from this, what in this what I'm doing? Maybe let's put Geo gets kind of 10 marks, Airtel gets 8 mark, and I am not having good connectivity with Vodafone. Now I am using it. So I'll put only 3 marks. So what I'm doing here, I am putting marks for each one, right? So what is considered, what is known to be evaluating alternatives. Okay, evaluating alternatives. So you are evaluating. Okay, so you got the need, you got the info, and you are evaluating everything. Okay, fine, Francis. We evaluated thing. Now what I will be doing? I will go on.
Good one, sir. Choose correct
Okay,
one.
I will. Okay, I will go for Geo, and I will be doing purchase. So that will put it as buying. Okay, see, now I met my need. So this is what buying behavior model. Okay, this model is very very important. After completing buying, what I will be doing, Francis? What I supposed to do after buying a product? What I will be doing commonly?
We should check, sir.
We should check, and we'll be reviewing it, right? It is good for using, it is good for not good for certain purpose, and not good for certain purpose. All these things we will be using it, right? So this is what buying behavior model. So I am putting it in chat box. Okay, so these are the very important in buying behavior model. That is, first you have to identify your need. Okay, after finding out your need, you have to go for information search. Information search. So hope everyone notes it down. Information search. So after getting information about different services I have, what I am doing is evaluating alternatives. Okay, so after evaluating alternatives, what I'm going to do, I will be buying a product. And finally, once I buy the product, after I using it, there will be post purchased post purchase habit or post purchase behavior. See, since we are talking with behavior, we'll be mentioning as post purchase behavior. See, this is what the model is. Okay, is it clear for all? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Hello? No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So everyone knows what is buying behavior model, right? Okay. Can anyone just tell what are the steps in the buying behavior model? It is a very simple model only. So just you have to put different.
First of all, what is your need, sir?
Yes, what is my need? I have to find out. Okay. Next, after finding
I
out the
have
need,
to choose option which are available, sir.
okay, I have to next we have to go for information. Okay, what are the information I should be finding out? I should do that. Okay, next, what is that?
Then we evaluate, sir. Evaluate the alternation.
We have to evaluate the alternates. So that is very very important. Okay, we have to evaluate. There will be different products will be available, and there will be different benefits from different products. So we have to evaluate the products. Okay, next, what is it?
Next, we should buy, sir,
Okay,
and
next we'll be
use
buying it. Okay, so after buying it, we'll be having our own purchase
experience.
experience, and through that experience, what we will be doing, we'll be evaluating the product, and that evaluation will become a buying behavior. Okay, so that is what buying behavior model, which is very very important. This question can be asked in detail answer. This is very important question, you all should learn. Okay, hope my screen is visible now. I am going to show you a generic model. Okay, since I want to use that Jamboard, I was using that, so I have put a slide for the generic model also. So what is generic model? What is buying behavior model? Is very simple. Generic model is base for the model we learned. Need, information search, finding alternatives, and buying and post purchase. This is a common model. Okay. Now today we are also going to check the generic model. These are base for example, when you build a building, what you will be doing first? When you build a building, what you will be doing first? You will be putting concrete, right? You will be adding different concrete for the floor to be strong. Same thing for a super consumer behavior model. These things are very important. Okay, so base, yes, Karthikeyan, yes, we need to have a base for the building. So these are the three base for our model which we discussed. That is marketing stimuli, then buyer's black box, then buyer's response. Okay. So anyone know what is stimuli? Stimuli, STUMLI. Stimuli. Anybody knows what is stimuli?
தூண்டுதல் சார்.
What is it, Santosh?
தூண்டுதல்.
Yes, தூண்டுதல். See, தூண்டுதல். We all know should have தூண்டுதல். Okay, someone has to push. Please respond. Please attend. Please have a attentive interaction. Someone has to push you always. So same thing happens in marketing. Anyone knows what is black box? A black box. Yes, Karthikeyan tells attract. Yes, fine. Yes, attract also a stimuli. Anyone knows what is black box?
I think the box was black color, sir.
No, not in box and black color. In flight and all, they will be using it to record what is happening in the cockpit, to record the conversation between different pilots who are in the flight. So all the conversation in the cockpit will be recorded over there. If anything happens to the flight during the journey, they will be retrying the black box, and they will be investigating it, what happened, what are the issues they face. That is what black box. Same thing, buyer's black box also there. It is just how buyer reacts before he going for purchase. What are the things he is going for? how he is looking for information. All those things considered to be buyer's black box. Okay. Then we will be having buyer's response. What is buyer's response? We have been discussing throughout the second unit. What is that buyer's response? It is related with decision. No, it is not feedback, Karthikeyan. Buyer's response is the end of buying motive or buying behavior. What is that? The decision process in buying behavior. Purchase decision. Okay. So you get it in mind. Purchase decision, buying purpose, buyer's response. All these are related to purchase decision. Okay. So same meaning but different keywords. Okay. This can be tricky for you people to grab it quickly, but these are very important topics. So these are three very important is for the model. Okay. So stimuli, as Santosh told, stimuli is something that pushes you. Okay. There are different stimuli are there. Stimuli can be split into two. One is marketing stimuli. Second one is external stimuli. Okay. This is main two categories. This can be asked in 2 mark. What are the stimuli you will be having in buying behavior model? So marketing stimuli and external stimuli is very important. Okay. In external, we got several. What is the how environmental is divided in marketing? How environmental factors divided in marketing? Can anyone tell how environmental in marketing divided? Two types we saw.
Internal, external.
No, wrong.
Macro, micro.
Yes, yes, Akhil. Yes, correct. Macro and micro. In macro, my environment is considered to be external stimuli because we were discussing that is out of the organization. All the macro are cannot be controlled by us. Political, cultural, technology, economy, these are things we cannot control that are very larger in perspective of marketing aspects and we don't have any control. So that is considered to be external stimuli. And marketing stimuli, yes, there are various. You can put it as all the micros environmental factors considered to be marketing stimuli. And there are relatively every individual has their own attitude, every individual has their own need because every need is unique, right? So that could be anything. So that stimuli is very important. For example, this could be seen, you might have seen it in this Velekaran movie. There he used to tell, right? They keep the chocolate in where they will keep the chocolate in the supermarket.
Accountancy place, sir.
Yes, they will be placing the chocolate in the building section where kids will be there. So they will be asking their parents to get me the chocolate. See, these are a stimuli that pushes you to buy a product. And then we got buyer's black box. This buyer's black box is a process, okay, a complete process. After he influence what he is going to do, whether he going for information, whether he's in evaluating. So put together all, we'll be putting it as a decision making process. Buyer's black boxes known as decision making process. Okay, so that is very simple. A process that involves before a buyer going to get a product. So that is called as buyer's black box. And finally, buyer's response. This is what we saw in the generic model. So buyer's response is we have got different varieties of products, right? Is it so, right? Do we have only one product for one brand for one any specific product? Last class we were discussing about mobile phone. We listed around 10 to 12 brands, right? So we have got brand choice, product choice, and dealer choice. All those things we have got. Okay. So purchase timing, purchase amount. There are different uh, choices we have. So those are all considered, and we'll go for buyer's response. Okay. Am I clear? Any doubts in buyer's response? Okay. Once again, sir, yes, I will be telling. Okay. So buyer's response is a step followed from buyer's black box. Buyer's black box is known as decision making process. Okay. Don't think that is a hard word. It's a simple meaning. It has buyer's black box is the decision process before a person going to buy a product. So once a person got into the buyer's black box, he will be followed to buyer's response. Okay, what is buyer's response? After the stimuli, he got into influence. Okay, that is Santosh was telling me to buy iPhone. Do you remember? I hope the story we remember, right? Santosh is telling, sir, you can afford the mobile. It is good for you. You can use all those things. He told, I got influenced. See the stimuli. Santosh was telling so many information, and I got influence. That is a stimuli. Okay, stimuli means that pushes you to buy. Okay, after that stimuli, the customer going to buy a product. Okay, anyway I'm going to buy a mobile phone. So what I have got different product choice. Maybe I can buy 4G mobile, maybe I can buy 5G mobile, maybe I can buy ordinary mobile. And I have got different brand also. Maybe I can buy Apple, maybe I can buy Vivo, maybe I can buy LG, maybe I can like Lenovo. There are different brands are there. And dealer choice, we have got different dealers. We have got Purvika, we have got Priyadarshini, we have got Universal, we have got dealer choice also. And we have got purchase time. I can buy today itself, I can buy next tomorrow, maybe I can buy next month, maybe I can buy next year. We have got all those choice. Then again, finally, when you come to giving a money, how many of you have how many of you have a bike EMI? How many of you have bike here? Anybody having bike EMI? Okay. So majority of you don't have bike. Okay, fine. So okay. In purchase amount, we also have this privilege like EMI. They will be telling us mobile. Yes, mobile. Cycle only. Okay. Okay, good. Good for health cycling. Okay. So when you buy a product, you can also have a EMI, right? Maybe you pay half amount and you pay monthly, or you may take a loan from bank and you can get the product and you can repay to the bank, or you can use your own money and get the product. See, there are different type of varieties are given to you, and all these varieties are helping a person to respond to a marketing stimuli given to him. Am I clear? Is it clear now? So apart from all the benefits and all the choices he has, he is going to buy a product. That is what buyer's response. Is it clear? Abhi, you are okay with that? Yes, thank you. So from this, we got that model. That model is, what is that model? Can anyone revise it? So the model is, I'll be republishing the Jamboard, okay? So after having marketing stimuli and buyer's black box and buyer's response, what we be having is buying behavior model. Okay, BB model. They will tell us BB model. What is this BB model? You find out a need, you get the information, that is info I am putting, and you will evaluate, that is E I am mentioning evaluate, and evaluate and you buy a product, and after buying a product, what you will be doing is a post purchase PP, post purchase. I'm putting as PP, okay? So post purchase behavior, PPB. Am I clear? Is it understood? Can you understand? Is the topic is clear? Yes, thank you. So we'll be just revamp it once again with a model we have got. So today we discussed about buying behavior model, that is BBM model. Okay. So this is very important model. So BBM model is very important topic for your exam perspective, whether any competitive exam you go and write, maybe you go for an interview in any big firm. This is very important. They will ask, do you know BB model? So in the BB model, we have got need, we have got information. So you have to recognize your need, what is your need, and then you will be going to your information, you will check for information. From information you will evaluate what are the products you got as alternatives, and you will be evaluating thing, and after evaluating, what you will do, you will be buying a product. So once you buy based on your need, information, and evaluation, you will have post purchase behavior. If you like the product, you will recommend, I like the biryani from this shop. Please have it, Franklin. You will tell. I watched this movie. This is very good. Please, Brito, you watch this movie. I got this dress from this particular shop. It is really nice. You go and purchase. Abhi, I am telling. So I'll be having a behavior after purchasing. If it is not good, I will tell bad. Don't watch that movie. That is very horrible movie to watch. Don't waste your time. That shop is really useless. Only money is waste. If these are the behavior we have, and we also discussed about marketing stimuli, that is a stimulus, that is something that pushes you to buy a product, okay, to select a product. So there are two different stimulus are there. One is marketing stimuli and external stimuli. External stimuli is all the macro environment, culture, technology, political environment, all these things are external factors in marketing stimuli. And we have got marketing stimuli as micro environment. We can put it as ourself, intrapersonal, community, all those things considered to be marketing stimuli. Anything that pushes you to buy a product, that influence to buy a product. And then we saw about buyer's black box, that is a decision process to buy a particular product, that is called as buyer's black box. And finally we saw about buyer's response. Buyer's response is after all the choices he has, product choices, brand choices, purchase time, purchase amount, all the choices. You got different choices to buy a product. After all the choices, what you are going to respond, what product you are going to buy, that is considered to be buyer's response. Am I clear? The topic is clear for you all? Yes, okay. Thank you so much. I really apologize for the delay we had during the session, and I'm finding some alternatives. Make sure I'll be having classes without any interruption. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. And I will be sharing you the evaluation sheet for the today's session. So make sure you fill it, and we have got 26 at 25 attendees, so I expect 25 of you to fill it, and take it seriously, all this assessment. This will help you to revise, because we are in different learning module. So this will just help you to learn and have it in mind. Okay, so I'm sharing it. Thank you once again, Have a great weekend. We'll meet on next week. Thank you so much.